I'm sorry I'm late, Thomas, but there was something wrong with the track switches, and I went the long way around.
Never mind, Percy. Mr. Conductor would still be proud of us.
He talked about buffers in his sleep last night. Buffers are at the end of a railway. I think that's how he travels to this island.
I don't think we should say any more. My wheel suddenly feels a little wobbly. I think Diesel's around here somewhere.
I'm sorry, you two. Diesel heard every word you said. I'm going after him to see what he does next. You'd better carry on and get the mail delivered.
Oh, you're very brave, Toby.
Oh, Diesel won't bother with an old engine like me. He thinks I'm scrap already.
Come in and join the party, Splodge.
Hooray, hooray, we're going to have a party, we're going to have a party. Who's got the balloon? Who's got the balloon?
Correction! Join the party that's over. Just like Twinkletoes' magic railway's going to be over. Gone, like the buffers that lead to that railway. And like those steam engines, too. Destroy, Splodge! Destroy!
But we might hurt somebody or something.
So? We don't know where the entrance to his railway is, so we don't know which are the right buffers. Therefore, you've got to destroy all of them.
What are you going to do? Yeah.
It's time to finally put Twinkletoes' lights out. This is a job for the boss.
I've got to delay him. I've got to distract him.
It's the old T-Bot. Smash him!
Boss, did you mean to do that?
I always mean what I do.